I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items on Noon. To start, visit the Noon Seller Lab and register your account. You will need to provide essential documents like your trade license, bank account details, and a valid ID. This initial setup is crucial for verifying your business and unlocking access to Noon's vast customer base, potentially reaching millions across the region. Once your account is active, it's time to create compelling product listings. Upload high-resolution images that truly highlight your items from various angles. Craft detailed and accurate descriptions, including all key features and specifications. Remember to set competitive prices and diligently manage your inventory to ensure products are always available for your customers. Efficient order management is vital for seller success. Process incoming orders promptly via your seller dashboard. You can choose between fulfillment by Noon, where Noon handles storage and shipping, or fulfillment by partner, where you manage logistics. Regardless of your choice, ensure items are packaged securely and dispatched within 24 to 48 hours to maintain high customer satisfaction. Finally, let's talk about payments and growth. Noon typically processes payments weekly or bi-weekly, directly to your registered bank account. To grow your business, leverage Noon's promotional tools and advertising features to increase product visibility. Continuously analyze your sales data and customer feedback to refine your offerings and enhance your overall selling experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.